The recommendations can be directed to quite a large number of people or sectors within the society. They don't only have to be directed towards government, although government will, if you like, be the first sector. But they need to be addressed to policy issues, which can include legal issues, to providing some form of remedy for victims, and so having identified what the particular suffering or injury that has been caused to the victims, what needs to be done to redress that. They need to be future oriented so that we can prevent future violations, and they need to move us generally towards much greater compliance with human rights obligations.
Number of recommendations were there, and those recommendations include improving the health system, setting up dispensaries in the rural sector. Those recommendations included improving the education system, setting up schools. Then road system was improved. Then the most important thing, from the point of view of starvation. Why starvation occurred? Because of two reasons. Poverty, and poverty was there because of lack of availability of food grains. Government of India has a system, very good system, a public distribution system. And this public distribution system has completely failed in those areas. And it is a great satisfaction to us as well as to the other people that the National Human Rights Commission succeeded in making the public distribution system function well.
We hope that in our report we'll be able to recommend three sets of measures. Short term, relating to issues that can be resolved quite quickly. Medium term, that would involve issues that are more problematic, and then a long term. Now this will take time. The long term might require reviewing our laws, existing land laws in the country, and also maybe the possibility of enacting new laws.
There is no single look or even single format or single style for an inquiry report. First and foremost, it has to communicate. And so we need to be, again, planning ahead, asking the question, who do we want to communicate with? What are the requirements for good communication? We can talk and look and plan for reports that are simple to understand by a very broad readership. In all countries, but particularly countries where literacy levels are low, we should be looking at audio or visual versions of reports. The important thing is to be sure who we're speaking to and what the communication needs of that audience is, or rather, audiences. It's plural, there are more than one audience.